Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at weekly market analysis, and also we'll be looking at the market for Monday. Okay, so let's see what happened this week. We'll discuss, and also we'll be looking at the levels for Monday also. And let's continue right now. See what I will do. I will open a Nifty chart right now. I'll open up a Nifty chart, and let's see where the market is now. Right now, it is being placed. We'll look at first, on a weekly chart and see. We'll try to find what happened, this week. Okay, and if you clearly look at, this week what happened. Let me remove this drawing, and you can see that, the market. This is where it took a support at. If you can see this. This is where the previous support was there for the market, and exactly at this level is this week is completely traded in that particular level only. So next week we'll be coming to know whether that crucial support will break down and go downside or not. Okay, so overall market is already stretched so much, so that is why we saw this consolidation, and then after that this momentum correction, this momentum correction, this momentum again, this correction we saw in a market. Actually, if you look at this was a much needed correction. It happened from this level. How market will react now, we have to see. If it is taking a bounce from the current level, that is 22,795, from this level, if it is taking a bounce, the good structure for the market, in my opinion, I may go wrong also. So is that it can actually, if it comes slowly like this and break like this, it would be good, like August or something like that, July or August. This structure can improve. Actually, this is not a good structure right now we are in right now. What happens if suddenly, if it goes like this, there is a possibility it can create a double top here and come back down actually. So that is why we actually, if you're looking at a long-term point of view, we don't need actually the sharp momentum right now. It may be good, but not good in the long run. That's why it may take some time. It may bottom out. If this is a bottom, so better it stay here and create that required pattern, and start moving higher like that. That would be time correction we need right now. Price is corrected, but time correction also, it's really important in a Nifty for a long-term purpose if we are looking at the long-term purpose actually. So, and if I go into the one-day chart, okay, so if I look at the one-day chart right now, if I look at the one-day chart, if you clearly look at this, so this is the, if you look at this continuously, if you look at Nifty from past few days, it is trying to take a support from these levels. Okay, you can clearly see that from this is the support level. Continuously, it's tried to stay in that level. It is not bounced at. That is why we have to be a little bit careful for next week. See, we will expect some rally in a market if this breaks. Always remember, okay, 23,239, 23,239. Above that level, if market breaches, then we can say that we will see some sharp rally till these levels. Okay, so that is 23,831 something like that. Okay, and we can expect some rally till these levels. Okay, so, and also these levels we can expect some rally, and these levels also we can expect some rally also. And see, this is the level, these are the different levels actually. What I was coming to say is that, so this level, if it breaks, okay, if this breaks, this particular level breaches means, then we can see some upside rally in the market actually. Okay, so we can expect some, that means the trend will be established if this particular level breaches means, because there is a gap here. Anyhow, market has to come back. It will come back, hope soon. So, but let it take a time and come back to those levels, or else there is a possibility that it can break down further and go till probably these levels. We can reach 22,000, something like that, around that level. From there we can start bouncing back. Anyhow, it is good for the market. And let's go and see. This is my long-term view for the market, and considering this week what happened. And regarding to the Monday levels, Monday levels, this will act as an important resistance for the market, and also this will act as an important support for the market for Monday. Okay. And Monday, if the support is close near the support, there is a possibility try to break down and go down. That is also there is a possibility, or else it can just move some little bit higher, then go sideways. Breaking the resistance is difficult for Monday market. Probably on Tuesday or Wednesday, we may see that breakout if it comes. Okay. So, but this has to break this level. If it breaches, then we see some rally in a market to this level. Okay. Around 23,800 or something like that. Or if it breaks like this, I told you, if it breaks this one, there is a possibility it can go down. Okay. So now, and if I look at, Nifty Bank, if I look at Nifty Bank, actually, let me open the Nifty Bank chart right now. For example, this is the level. So, and for example, this is the level. Let's discuss about these things. Okay. This is the level. Let's see. What I was thinking is that, so right now market is currently at, if you look at this, is not actually closed near the support. That's what I was thinking. And it's not closed near to the resistance also. That means what I'm discussing about Nifty Bank is on for Monday. Then we'll go to the weekly chart and we'll see later long term view. Okay. So that means Monday, for example, this is the level you have to keep eye on. If that breaks, then we see some relief rally. Or else if this breaks, there is a possibility it will come back and fill this gap. I was talking about this gap for many days right now. If you observe my videos and all, you'll understand. If this level breaks, let's say if these levels breaks, means it can go and fill this rally actually. Okay. This gap, sorry. Okay. Once this gap is filled, then it can come back and continue its rally. So that's why I was keep telling this, even though market was up, this day, right? I told that, there is a possibility it can come down. That is what exactly happened with the Bank Nifty also. Okay. So now if I go to the 1 day chart, let's say if I go to the 1 day chart, and this is the level. Okay, let's see, this is the level. So this is the level, and this is the level. Okay. And let's say if look at here, look, it looks like creating the bottom here, Bank Nifty, but we need one more dip here into this, gap, then dip, slight dip, and come back and close above this level next week. Then we can see some rally after that. Okay. So, and if I go into the weekly chart right now, let's see the pattern. And if you look at the long-term view for Bank Nifty, so for me, this was the key support. And you know what, Nifty Bank was done, try to break this support, and still it's trading over around that level. And until this breaks, we are not confirming the uptrend in a Bank Nifty yet. Okay. So once this level breaks, let's say once this particular level breaks, then we can say that market can enter into the Nifty Bank can enter into the uptrend. Until then, so there is no confirmation yet. We have to wait and watch for the market to react actually, if you look at it carefully. Okay. So it can come back to this level, and let's say, and and there is a possibility it can go, and if it break like that, that's good. Or else, let's say it can come and break immediately, go a little bit higher, then wait, and like with the Nifty, it can start moving higher. Or else if this breaks, we will see that scenario next week probably. If this breaks, there is a possibility it can go till these levels. Okay. 46,367. Okay. So this is like Nifty and Bank Nifty for the current week and the next week we have discussed right now. The final conclusion I would like to give is that right now market is at the crucial level. Actually, the last 1 or 2 weeks, it should be the deciding levels, but still market is hovering around the same levels. We will wait for next week and we'll see what is that. Is it really taking that support? If it is really taking that gap support, which I mentioned, okay, it can take a support from that level, then it can bounce and go upside. Then we'll see the rally in Nifty finally. Okay. So, but rally is not going to be very much smooth. If it fills the gap and started moving, a little bit time corrections also will happen, but it is good. That means further falling will be, if that gaps fills and go up, then further falling it can be avoided, and let it stay for sideways. You will get some lot of stocks to trade in that particular time, right? So yeah, this was my analysis for the next week also. And wait and watch for next week what's gonna happen, climax. Okay, so until the next video, please check here. I'll be coming with another video next week. And please do know your comments in a chart comments in a comment section, and please like the video. So I'll be seeing in the next week. Until then, please take care.